Mamma mia, guys, ragazzi, today, my God, today is really, really good. Creamy zucchini and ricotta with linguine and crispy bacon, American bacon. Really good, amazing. Ingredient for today, zucchini, the bacon, nice smoked bacon, peeled garlic, prezzemolo, parsley, in Italian prezzemolo, Parmigiano Reggiano, ricotta cheese, salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil, and of course the linguine. Let's do it by cooking the zucchini. Squash some garlic, okay, slice out zucchini. Some extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna turn the fire on. And we're gonna cook out zucchini. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt. Always, you know, I have my water here boiling. Always, if you need, you can add a little bit of water there, okay? We're gonna clean some parsley in this moment and add our parsley at the end. Okay, now we're gonna chop our parsley. And add our parsley here. This is for one portion. For one portion, you know, if you do 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, you just have to multiply the ingredients, okay? So let's do this is for one portion. We're gonna leave it here on the side. So now using a mixing bowl with the blender that we have right here. So we're gonna put the zucchini, the roasted zucchini, and we're gonna leave some zucchini out. Here we're gonna put some of the ricotta. We grate a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Add this Parmigiano Reggiano inside the mixture. Okay, we're gonna do our creamy zucchini sauce. A little bit of water here. Okay, here's our bacon time. Okay, I'm gonna slice some bacon. There we go. This is our bacon for today. And we're gonna put the bacon inside here. I'm gonna make it nice and crispy. A nice smoky flavor from the bacon. It's so good. Pasta time. We're gonna put a little bit of salt. We're gonna taste it. It needs to be like the ocean flavor, you know, salty, like the sea. We're gonna put our spaghetti. Actually, today, linguine. Our bacon is cooking, and our pasta is also boiling. Let's go. Our bacon is ready, nice and crispy. You know, I like to remove things because for presentation, I like my bacon on top, like my guanciale. So we're ready to plate our pasta. How beautiful creamy it is, yeah? Looks like we put some cream, but we didn't use any cream this time. Parmigiano Reggiano on top. We're gonna chop a little bit of parsley on top. And then the bacon. Finish with some black pepper. This is our linguine with a creamy zucchini sauce and bacon. For the one of you that loves the creamy of the ricotta and the bacon, this is a really good pasta. Buonissima!